Today, I'd like to show you how to get more performance out of your Dyson V12, especially when cleaning carpets. All we need is an adapter that allows you to use accessories from a Dyson Gen 5 or V15 with the V12. It's important that the adapter is live, as we want to use the better designed cleaning heads of a Gen 5 or V15 compared to the standard cleaning head of the V12. These deliver better performance, as we'll see shortly. As always, I first tested the whole thing with certified test dust. 10 grams of this was lightly worked into this red carpet. The carpet has a very dense pile and is difficult to clean. The first test run for both cleaning heads was conducted in the boost setting. The front gates of the Gen 5 cleaning head were completely closed. As we can see from the results, I always test everything 3 times. The Gen 5 cleaning head performed significantly better. After 3 cleaning strokes, 100% of the test dust was sucked in, while the standard head took twice as long with 6 strokes. To further highlight this difference in cleaning performance and demonstrate that the Gen 5's cleaning head seals against the carpet much better, I deeply embedded 10 grams of baking soda into the carpet. While the test dust is more difficult to remove, this manual deep embedding into the carpet is unfortunately currently not possible with my methods. Nevertheless, the baking soda is also very fine and more difficult to remove than, for example, bird sand. The test was again conducted in boost mode. The test results are clear. The Gen 5 cleaning head performs significantly better with this level of dirt. After 15 cleaning strokes, 100% of the baking soda was removed, while the standard V12 head only removed around 73% even after 25 strokes. But there is also a small drawback. In auto mode, the performance of the Gen 5 cleaning head is slightly lower during the first few cleaning strokes. After several strokes, however, its performance is again higher than that of the V12 standard head, although not quite as significantly this time. I think this problem or phenomenon occurs because the increased consumption of the Gen 5 head limits the power budget for the suction power. If you listen closely, you can hear an increase in suction power right from the start with the standard head, whereas this is not the case with the Gen 5 head. At the end of the video, I play the cleaning runs of the test dust collection in auto mode with the original sound again. Overall, however, I think this small drawback is manageable as you get significantly better performance overall with the Gen 5 or V15 cleaning heads. By selling the standard V12 head on platforms like eBay, you should be able to easily recoup the purchase of a Gen 5 or V15 head. I was able to sell mine in mint condition for a good $90. The older versions of the V11 head should also offer a performance improvement. Unfortunately, the newer V11 vacuums are now also sold with the V12 head design. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. Further support options are linked in the description. Thanks and bye.